If you don't like mysteries but still crave excitement, then hold on to your seat for this one. NASA and Boeing engineers have been scratching their heads because the Starliner capsule is making some really unusual noises. Imagine hearing a spaceship hum like it's tuning into cosmic radio. These sounds aren't just random, they might be clues to how the spacecraft interacts with space itself, like the metal contracting and expanding or even airflow creating these strange melodies. It's like space's own orchestra, so why is this happening? Well, scientists are investigating, and it could be everything from structural vibrations to interactions with the Earth's magnetic field. What's the coolest part? These noises could help improve future missions by understanding how spacecraft behave in different conditions. Stay tuned, space fans. The universe might have more musical secrets up its sleeve. This is Worldwide News, bringing you the latest from beyond the stars.